today we'll be looking at how to formulate sentences in Igbo language that starts with what did. So whenever you want to formulate a sentence in Igbo language that starts with what did, you start with Geneka. And the verb, even though the verb in English is in simple present form, in Igbo it's going to be in past tense. Now let's see illustrations. For example, what did you say? You say Geneka, you, I. Then say, the past tense of say in Igbo is huru. So huru. Geneka I huru. That's because what did you say? What did she do? Geneka, she, oh. Then do, the past tense of do in Igbo is mere. That's what did Geneka o mere. Then what did we eat? Geneka. Then we is anyị. Now eat, the past tense of eat in Igbo is riri. Geneka anyị riri. Now the quick assignment, what would be what did we buy? Tell me in the comment section, and we're open for our classes for group Igbo classes, and one-on-one Igbo classes. Check the description and send us a DM to enroll.